Top 5 ways to get a learner's permit, rules and requirements. Are you a teenager looking to get your learner's permit? Well, then you've come to the right place. You can start the process of applying for your permit after you've turned 15 years old. If you're older than 18, you can get an unrestricted license immediately. In this video, we'll go through each step of the process so you know exactly what to expect. Learner's permit requirements. Complete a traffic law and substance abuse education (TLSAE) course. TLSAE courses are offered in most public schools, as well as from several third-party providers throughout the state. The Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles will need to verify your completion of the course before allowing you to proceed further in the driver's license application process. Your registered course provider is responsible for submitting your information directly to the DMV. Be at least 15 years old. Have parental consent. How to get a learner's permit. To apply for your permit, you'll need to visit the DMV. Find a location near you and schedule an appointment if required. 2. Bring proper documentation. There are a few documents you must present to successfully apply for a driver's permit. These documents must be originals. Photocopied versions or originals altered in any way may be rejected. Proof of identity, such as a birth certificate or passport. Proof of social security number, such as a social security card or W-2 form. Proof of residency, such as a home utility bill or telephone bill. Proof of name change, if applicable. Parent/guardian online test proctoring form if you took the written test at home. Proof of written test completion, if applicable. Parental consent form. 3. Complete vision and hearing tests. After your documents are approved, you'll be required to pass a simple vision and hearing test. If you need a hearing aid, glasses, or contact lenses, you may use them during the screening. If you cannot hear and respond to a conversational tone of voice, you will be required to wear a hearing aid while driving. Additionally, if vision is determined to be under 20/40, you may not be able to receive your license. 4. Pass the written test. States offer both in-person and online testing options for the written test. If you choose to take the test at the driver licensing office, you'll simply take the test during the application process. If you choose the online option, find a third-party location that offers online testing. You'll take the test under parental supervision and the driver licensing office will automatically submit your results to the DMV. You may be able to take the test as part of the driver's education program at your local high school. Contact your school to find out if this is an option. The written knowledge test contains 50 multiple-choice questions that cover traffic laws, traffic control identification, and safe driving practices. To pass the test, you must get 80%, or 40 questions correct. The driver's handbook is a great place to start, as it contains everything you'll need to know for both the permit test, as well as the road exam later on. However, studying solely from a textbook can get mundane and uninspiring quickly. That's where driverseducation comes in handy. Learn at your own pace and track your progress along the way. Simply put, our videos helps make learning the rules of the road as fun as it can be. You can also test your knowledge today using our free practice test. 5. Pay fee and receive your permit. For example, the Florida learner's permit fee is currently $48. You'll also have to pay a $10 retesting fee if you need to take the knowledge test a second time. Payment options include cash, check, and credit/debit cards. Driver's permit restrictions. Hold permit for 12 consecutive months, or until you turn 18, whichever comes first. No traffic violations within the 12 months. Must accumulate a total of 50 hours worth of driving experience, including 10 hours of nighttime driving. A parent or legal guardian will have to sign off on your form attesting to your driving experience. While driving, you must always be accompanied by a licensed adult over the age of 21. You must carry your permit whenever driving. During the first 3 months, you may only drive during the day. After 3 months, you may drive until 10 p.m. To progress to a restricted license, you'll need to be at least 16, have held your permit for at least a year, and have completed and logged 50 hours of driving time. A restricted license allows you to drive alone under certain circumstances. That's everything you need to know about getting your learner's permit. We hope this guide has helped you out. If you need any help studying for your upcoming knowledge or driving exams, Then driverseducation is the perfect study resource with a summarized video catalog and practice tests.